Marty, are you gonna give us some tips for bagworms?
Yeah, if you have bagworms in a small vicinity like this little area right here, best way to do it is just pick them off, each one by one, and throw them in a Ziploc baggie or burn them. Do not throw them on the ground below because they'll come back next year. The eggs will hatch and come back and get on whatever you plant again and destroy it. So that's what you do if you have them in a small vicinity like this. And we'll show you what to do whenever your tree is infested with bagworms. We'll show you what to do with that later on.